Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this delicate earrings, the little blossom earrings. If you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To work these earrings, I have chose this crochet thread. You can buy these crochet threads from Amazon or Etsy. These are size 8 cotton crochet thread. And you will need 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. You will also need some white glue, water, and to stiffen these earrings once they are made. And you'll need earring hooks and scissors also for making this project. So for round 1 I'm working a magic ring, and then I'm going to go ahead work 12 single crochets on the magic ring. So this will be our round 1, and once you have worked 12 single crochets, you're going to tighten the magic ring and you will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet. So now I'm working the 12 single crochets around the magic ring. Now I'll tighten the magic ring and I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet stitch. So that's the end of our round 1. So you should have 12 stitches at the end of round 1. So once you're done with round 1, tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. And once that is done, let's proceed with round 2. For round 2, I'm going to work a chain 2 and double crochet together on the same stitch. So this is considered as our first double crochet 2 together. And once you are done with this, you're going to work a chain 2. And then I'm going to work a double crochet 2 together on each stitch, followed by a chain 2 space. So work double crochet 2 together on each stitch, followed by a chain 2 space. So you're going to continue to work like this around, and once you're done, you're going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 2. So go ahead, work double crochet 2 together followed by chain 2 around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I have worked halfway through. Repeat double crochet 2 together on each stitch followed by a chain 2 space. Now we are gonna complete our round 2. I'm gonna work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet together. So that's the end of our round 2. Now work a slip stitch on the chain 2 space, next chain 2 space, and work a chain 1. This chain 1 does not consider as a stitch, and then work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet on the same space, and then on each chain 2 space work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet. So you're going to repeat this pattern around. Work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet on the chain 2 space. So this is going to create a little picot like stitches, and this is going to be a great finishing for our earrings. So go ahead, work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet on each chain 2 spaces around, and once that is done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet stitch. So repeat this pattern around And once that is completed, work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet stitch to close this round 3. So this is the last round. You can fasten off, work slip stitch and weave the ends so that they don't unravel, and you can snip off all the odd ends of the yarn or the thread that you have. So I have worked one more earring with the same pattern for a pair of earrings. Now you can see they are not stiff and they're wobbly, so we're going to stiffen this up using one part of glue and one part of water. Dip your work, mix them well and dip your work in that and air dry it for about a day. So you can see the complete blocking instruction for another earring tutorial video. I'll post the link of that video in the description. So now I'm gonna sew a pearl to the center of this earring. So this will give us a good and neat look for our earrings with this little pearl embellishment. And then you can cut the odd ends with the scissors. That's it, our earring is done. So you can see how the earring is nice and stiff after blocking. And I'm going to attach a earring hook to the chain 3 stitches that we have worked, any of the chain 3 stitches that we have worked on the round 3. And then you can tighten the earring hook. That's it. Repeat the same for the next earring as well. Our super simple, super cute, delicate crochet earrings is ready. I can't wait them to make in many different colors. I've already made in couple of different colors, so they're gonna look so pretty, and you can gift them to anyone you like. So they're gonna really love these delicate earrings. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. If you want a free written pattern of these little blossom earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. You can also find links to many different patterns through my Instagram posts. And please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.